In the late 80s and early 90s, few sports cars were more feared than Callaway Corvettes. Closely tied to GM's factory operations, Callaway's hotted-up versions of the fourth-generation Vette helped firmly establish the Corvette brand as a global tour de force. This razor-sharp Chevy is a one-owner garage queen that's assembly line perfect in virtually every way. Arctic White 2-Stage is a glossy testament to serious motorsports pedigree, especially when garnished with a black Grand Sport stripe and red Grand Sport hash marks. And clean reflections dance across a lightweight body that displays precise fit and finish under ancillary hardware that functions well and seals great. Inside, the clean cockpit is pretty much one of a kind. The plush environment kicks off with 6-way power buckets that are stitched in a combination of leather and Alcantara. A soft steering wheel laps a familiar Alcantara-wrapped dash. And factory climate control joins Bose audio to shade a factory shifter that's capped with a Callaway-installed knob. The Supernatural package bores, strokes, and rebuilds GM's LT4 small block to turn 450 horsepower into 450 pound-feet of torque. Behind that red-trimmed 383, a tough ZF6 speed spins a limited slip differential around stout 345 gears. With impressive power, classic good looks, and a full roster of desirable options, there's no question this exclusive Callaway is both collectible and appealing. It's fast, it's cooler than pretty much anything on the road, and perhaps best of all, it's easy to live with. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.